Okay, now we're going to get into 2 questions to ask before you write a single word. These are questions you should always ask yourself before you even think about sending out an email. This will just ensure that you stay on topic, you stay focused, and you're getting maximum results. So the first one is, what is the benefit to the subscriber? What is really the primary motivation in this email? How is this email gonna benefit the subscriber? So what you're going to do, you're going to just either in a notepad or a piece of paper or whatever you use for your brainstorming, it will just write it down. Say, well, this is going to help the subscriber, quadruple income within X amount many days, or whatever it is. This is going to help the subscriber get a lot more Twitter followers, or whatever it is. You need to write down the benefit. Go in with the idea of saying, okay, this is how this particular product or whatever I'm offering is going to benefit the subscriber. Is it something free or given away? So the benefit would be the subscriber is going to learn how to do, how to quadruple the conversions rate in 30 days with this free report. Whatever the benefit is, write it down. The next question you're going to ask yourself is, what is the desired result? What is the result? What do you want the subscriber to honestly do? Are you trying to sell something? Are you trying to get them to follow you on Twitter? Are you wanting them to click through, go to your blog and subscribe to RSS feed? Are you wanting them to click on a link to download the PDF? What is the desired result? So you're going to first ask, what is the benefit to the subscriber? Why should I be sending this email out? And honestly, if you can't answer that question, if it's more or less about how it's going to benefit you, well, of course I'm going to send it out because I want to make money. Well, you can't think like that. You have to think okay, the subscribers there, how is this going to benefit them? Because they're going to be thinking, okay, what is this? What's in this for me? Why should I do whatever this email is telling me to do? And if it's really self-motivated on your end, then you shouldn't send out the email, because you're going to do nothing but hurt your credibility. Now, if it's something that you clearly have a benefit, you're clearly sending out something that's going to help the subscriber, then by all means, follow the rest of the email demon method, and then you're going to start seeing a lot of conversions come from it. And of course, you want the desired result. You want to have a clear, precise definition of what the whole purpose of this email is supposed to be doing, whether it's a download, whether it's clicking through to another site, opting in, the buy-in. What do you want them to do? And the reason why is because the 2 most powerful keywords in sales copy, and especially in email marketing, is brevity and simplicity. You want to keep things brief and keep things simple. What I mean by that is you need to cut out the useless rambling, and you do that by keeping things simple. Don't use 100 words when 10 words would do. Keep things simple and brief, because now with everything else going on, especially in email marketing, you have less than a second to capture their attention before they might have 100 different emails they have to read. There's a lot of stuff going on. Phones are ringing. It's a busy environment in the mind of your subscribers. So you have to keep things brief, and you have to keep things simple, and staying focused and having a clear, concise outline of why the heck you're even sending this email is the best way to accomplish those things. So what you're going to want to do now is, because you kind of gathered a list of different offers, $1 offers that you could use to start turning your newsletter subscribers into paid subscribers. We'll start kind of putting action to these techniques, and start asking yourself, okay, how is this really going to benefit the subscriber? Write it down. Okay, what is the desired result? Is it downloading something? Is it going through and paying for something? Write that down. And then, and focus your whole mindset, getting brevity and simplicity just ingrained in your mind. Always look for ways you can trim the fat in your copy and in your writing, because again, most people, if they get bored, they get annoyed, and if they get annoyed, they unsubscribe. So that's it for this video. As soon as you're ready, go ahead and go on to the next video.